Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Roshan Vlogs, and in today's video, I'll be purchasing the ASUS TUF Gaming F15. So I'm right here at Shut DG to purchase the laptop. So I'll be doing an unboxing video for you guys. So make sure to watch it, and I'll see you guys later. Purchased the laptop right here. See, so I'll be doing the unboxing on this laptop when I get home. Okay guys, so finally I came back home. So now let's unbox the laptop. So you guys know where I bought this laptop. I bought it from Sharaf DG. So yeah, let's get started with the unboxing. Here's the front of the box. Here's the TUF Gaming logo, TUF Gaming. I choose the Intel model, not the Ryzen one. Intel Core i5 with a GTX 1650 and 8GB RAM with a 512GB SSD. Now let's get into unboxing. This laptop comes with 2 years warranty. So just in case if you damage this laptop, if it breaks, you'll easily have a warranty to fix your laptop. Now let's open it. We'll push the tab from here. Now we'll see the laptop itself. Here's the laptop in the box. Okay, I'll pull it up. It's not that heavy, but I mean you can carry it in your backpack. Get here, user guide, one more user guide, and a warranty card with my ASUS support. Okay, here we have a 150 watt charger. I actually like the charger, it's like pretty small, but 150 watts, so your laptop will charge very fast. Here's the power cord, and in case if you guys want to put a hard drive, you can, because ASUS gives you a cable to do that if you want to upgrade your laptop. So we'll keep the box aside. So far I'm impressed of the packaging of the laptop. I'll keep this to a side here. Okay, now let's take a look at the laptop. Alright, here's the laptop itself. Nice in the bonfire black color. TUF Gaming logo. Pretty nice actually. Here are all the ports. I'll mention all the ports to you guys soon. Okay, so let me show you guys now. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, here's the laptop. Well, I'm impressed. ASUS branding right here. Transparent WSD keys. You guys know that this is a gaming laptop, so that's why the keyboard looks so fancy with the nice WSD keys. Trackpad is also good with 2 clickable buttons. Okay, well, comes with a 144 refresh rate. So I'll plug this laptop to the power cord and I'll get started with you guys by showing all the specs. Let's get started. Let's open it up. The charger. Okay, let's see the satisfying feeling. Watt charger. Okay, now let's see. Okay, here's the power indicators. Now let's power it on. The RGB keys. Here's the ASUS logo. In search of incredible. Just a moment. Alright, Windows 11. Just increase the volume a bit. Okay, now let's get started. Okay guys, so we'll be signing in for the laptop. Now let us say it's English, yes. United Arab Emirates, yes. Yes. Skip. And next. Okay, it's connected. Now, next. Checking for updates. Okay, Microsoft software license terms. Accept. Okay, now I'll be signing in to my Microsoft account. Okay guys, here's the home screen right here. Okay, so here's the wallpaper, TUF Gaming. So let's see the specs. So this laptop powers up Intel Core i5 10300H with 8GB RAM, DDR4 with a GTX 1650 and 144 refresh rate, and comes with Windows 11. This laptop comes with the RGB one zone keyboard right here, transparent WASD keys, comes with two dedicated left and right click buttons, here the trackpad, and here is the bonfire black color. There's also a model in the Fortress Grey, but it's like coming in a grey color, so I opted for the blue, black one, bonfire black, since that was the only variant which was available. Here we have some exhaust vents for having this laptop a good airflow. When you look under the laptop, here are some more honeycomb designs, exhaust vents. If you guys are planning to upgrade this laptop, you can upgrade this laptop to 32GB of RAM, because this laptop comes with two DDR4 RAM slots. So in the base model you will get 8GB. So if you guys want a faster memory, you can upgrade. Also, I told you guys that you can upgrade a hard drive for this laptop. So in this laptop comes with a base SSD, so you can add an external hard drive inside the laptop if you are planning to upgrade. Here we have the ports. Okay, here's one power port, one Ethernet port also known as a LAN port, one HDMI port, two USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, one USB 3.2 Gen 2 port Type C, display port and combo port. Here's the audio combo jack 3.5mm. Now let's get through the right sides. Comes with a 720p HD camera. So this laptop you can do video conferencing through Zoom or Teams. Also, ASUS has their own dedicated app which is called the Armorkit app. You can see more specs about your laptop through that app. So I'll be opening that app and showing you guys. Okay, so this laptop comes with a 512GB SSD. So total there come 3 modes for this laptop. For the cooling system, there's turbo mode to give more air, because if you're doing heavy gaming on this laptop, the laptop really needs a lot of power, so you can use turbo mode. There's even silent, Windows and balanced. So in the Armorkit app you can also change the color of your keyboard. So when we go to lighting, so there are different modes. So if you click the FN key and the aura key on the side, you can change mode. Static, which has only one color. You can choose any color from the Armorkit app. You can change your keyboard key. Next mode is rating. So you guys can see like the keys like glowing and offing at times. Next one is throbbing. So the keys is like glow rapidly. And here's color cycle. So the colors change time to time. So in this case I'll choose the color cycle mode. GPU power saving. Also their game visuals, default, racing, scenery, RTS, RPG, FPS, cinema, eye care and vivid. So I'll choose the default mode. Okay guys, so that's the end of this video and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications, that way when I post a new video you'll be notified. And I'll be doing a review on this laptop after 15 days, so definitely stay tuned to see the pros and cons of this laptop. And I'll see you guys in the next video from Unbox. Thank you guys for watching.